a simple guide. Are you tired of bad habits holding you back? Let's break free together. Here's a simple guide to quitting bad habits once and for all. Admit you have a bad habit. Ask yourself, why do you do it? Reflect on the emotional or situational triggers. Write down the habit and note its impact on your life. Example, stress eating is affecting your health. Define your goal. What do you want to achieve by quitting this habit? Example, I want to exercise daily instead of scrolling on my phone. Set small, achievable milestones. Focus on progress, not perfection. Instead of just stopping a habit, replace it with a good one. Bad habit, smoking. Good habit, go for a walk. Bad habit, procrastination. Good habit, spend 15 minutes doing a task. Share your goals with a friend or loved one. Join online or local communities that support your efforts. Regularly check in with someone who encourages your progress. Remove things that trigger your bad habit. Example, delete social media apps if you procrastinate too much. Place reminders or motivational quotes where you can see them every day. Start with 5 minutes of daily mindfulness or meditation. Ask yourself, am I about to act on a bad habit, or am I making a positive choice? Reflect on small wins every day to boost motivation. Celebrate small successes. Treat yourself with something healthy or enjoyable. The park, a movie night, or a healthy smoothie. Positive reinforcement strengthens good habits. Habits take 21-30 days to form or break. Don't get discouraged by setbacks. Every step forward is a win, even if it's small. Quitting a bad habit isn't about perfection, it's about progress. You're stronger than any habit. Keep replacing old patterns with new positive choices. Take the first step today, you've got this, and subscribe for more life-changing tips. Comment below with your goals for quitting bad habits.